Welcome back to Dr. Mai. Share medical knowledge. Stress is everywhere. Work, family, daily life. But just because it's common doesn't mean it's healthy. Chronic stress affects your body and mind, from your immune system to your heart. Today, let's break the cycle with practical, science-backed ways to calm your brain and build resilience. Ready to take control? Let's dive in. Your breath is your built-in stress relief tool. When you're anxious, your breathing gets shallow, but you can flip the switch with the 4-7-8 method. Inhale through your nose for 4 seconds, hold for 7, exhale through your mouth for 8. Try 4 cycles, anywhere, anytime. That long exhale tells your brain it's safe to relax. This simple habit can lower your heart rate and calm your nerves in minutes. Use it before a big meeting, at bedtime, or whenever stress hits. Your breath is always with you. Use it. Next, let's calm your mind with mindfulness. Stress pulls your thoughts everywhere. Mindfulness brings you back to now. Try a quick body scan. Notice your feet, legs, torso, arms, and face. Just observe, no judgment. Or do a mindful stretch. Feel each movement, focus on your breath. These mini check-ins break the cycle of anxious thoughts and build your brain's calm muscle. Practice a few minutes daily and you'll find it easier to stay grounded, even in chaos. Small moments of presence add up to big changes. Nature is a natural stress buster, even if you're stuck inside. Take a 10-minute walk outside, focusing on what you see, hear, and feel. No time? Add a plant to your desk or listen to nature sounds. Even a glimpse of greenery or birdsong can lower stress and boost your mood. Caring for a plant or visualizing a peaceful scene gives your mind a break. Bring a little nature into your day, wherever you are. Your phone is a stress machine if you let it be. Turn off non-essential notifications. Protect your focus. Schedule screen-free times, especially after waking and before bed. Swap scrolling for reading, music, or real conversation. Curate your digital world. Unfollow accounts that drain you, follow those that inspire. Your online environment matters. Make it peaceful. A little digital distance goes a long way for your mind. Real self-care isn't luxury, it's essential. Prioritize sleep 7-9 hours nightly keeps your stress response in check. Eat nourishing foods and hydrate. Fuel your brain and body. Make time for activities you love, even if it's just a few minutes. These habits refill your tank so you can handle life's demands. Schedule self-care like any important appointment. You're worth the effort. Don't skip it. These 5 strategies won't erase stress, but they'll help you bounce back stronger. Start with one habit, maybe breathing, a plant, or a screen break. Build from there. Consistency is key. Over time, you'll notice more calm, clarity, and resilience. Share your favorite stress relief tip in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more health wisdom. Thanks for watching. Stay calm, stay healthy, and see you next time.